God darn, he's a feisty one. Oh, you better net him real quick. I'm gonna break my rod. We're on the board.
Nice one.
Yeah.
2.5 pounder?
Yep. Yeah. On the board. Boom. I'm filming it. Oh yeah, hell yeah. That's definitely decent. Well, that was the stick I told you to hit.
Yep.
Nice. Click it. Maybe. Nope. Oh my God. He felt bigger than that though. Nope. That's a buck. That's a bucky. Little buck. Oh, he's on. Oh, here he comes. Oh, he's stuck. Stay on. Stay on, big boy. He's stuck in it. Oh, my Lord, he's going. Holy shit. I can't tell how big he is, but he felt like a whale. He's on. Come on out of there. Come on. Oh, there he goes. He busted loose. Holy shit, the bed. Look at that. He brought the stick. Woo! Holy shit. Get him, boy. Yeah. Oh, my God. Holy shit.
How'd it go?
Wayne. Oh, my Lord.
Got him?
Yeah. He's under a stick. I'm recording.
Bring him up. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, brush hog.
Can you see yourself in that?
Mm.
Here you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good job. Oh, get out of there. Nope, he's a buck. Man, look at him going in those trees. That dirty dog. God, I'm having a hell of a time with these trees. He is not coming up. Almost missed him. That might be a smallie though, a little jumper. No. That's a smallie, isn't it? Damn, I called that one. Rocks. Oh, Lord. You weren't getting